Hey friends, it's Matt from Cornelius Creations, and today I just wanted to talk with you guys about something that has tremendously helped me while I power carve. You know, we all have to protect our ears, and I will be the #1 person to say that I haven't always done what it takes to protect my ears, and I hate wearing earplugs because I'm always listening to music or audiobooks from Audible. And what I did to counter this is I ordered Bluetooth headphones with noise cancellation, and they fit on, let me turn it around here, just like this. Now I love this because while I have this on while I'm power carving, it takes down the noise so much, and like I said, I can listen to all my books and music. Now just to test this out and give you guys an idea, I'm gonna turn this on and just carve a little bit right here. Now you guys probably hear how loud this is to the microphone, but in actuality, I'm hearing it a little bit through my earphones of the music and everything, but it's not really that loud. I can sit here and work all day without this loud ringing in my ears from that right there. So I just put these things on right here, and it's not a problem anymore while I power carve, and I don't have a dangling, string from the earplugs and having to jack with all that. And another thing it's helped me to do is focus, because if you know me personally, I know you guys just see me behind the camera here, but if you know me personally, I'm all over the place. I'm doing all kinds of stuff, and it's easy for my mind to wander. So when I'm listening to a book or something, I just start carving and I can just go straight through my projects. Once you really start listening to books and stuff, it will it keeps you focused if you're like I am. So the headphones come in a nice hard shell case right here, and when we open it up, you can see that they are just folded like this inside, which I really like. They're very compact and easy to take around. Let me focus my camera here. And they just pop out just like this. And you can see the ears just go in here and swivel and everything. Now to turn this thing on right here, you hold this button right here. It has 3 buttons on the side. If I can get the camera to focus right there, you just hold that down and you'll hear it power on in there. Now to turn the noise cancellation on, there is a button right here. You just slide it up. If you guys can see, there's a blue light on there letting you know that that's on, and what this actually does is block out certain frequencies. It comes supplied with a cable right here you can charge it with, and you just stick it off in there, then plug the other end of it into a charging block. One thing I absolutely love is the battery life. These things, according to the website, last 30 hours. I've only charged these one time since I've had them, and I've had them for a while now. So that's pretty impressive to me. So if you guys don't have a pair of these, I highly recommend picking a pair of these up. I will link the ones I have below on Amazon. At the time of the recording of this video, I think they're somewhere around 70 bucks. But for the price point, the audio quality for all you audio people out there is pretty top notch for the price. I can't complain for what I got, especially since I can sit here and power carve, listen to my books, and block out all the noise and protect my ears. It's phenomenal. I don't think I'll ever go back to earbuds or a little Bluetooth speaker like this ever again, which this really wasn't meant to protect my ears. I just, like I said, like listening to music and stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this kind of behind the scenes video of the way I do things. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications for new videos when they come out, because I have a few people saying, I didn't know you uploaded this. Well, sometimes Google's system messes up or whatever. So anyway, you guys take care, and I hope to see you in the next video.